Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Groovy Kind of Love Bath Bomb. It's very pretty and colorful. It is 6.3 ounces and it costs $7.95. And I was expecting it to be more active than what it was. The bath water was very hot, and normally that makes it more active. As opposed to like colder water, but yeah, it didn't do too much. It was colorful. I was expecting it to spin on its side and flick out the different colors, but the orange and the yellow kind of just stayed at the bottom for a really long time. But eventually it does get more colorful. The water started out as a yellow shade, but then by the time the entire bath bomb had dissolved, it turned orange. Very bright fluorescent orange. But it did smell really good. All of their bath bombs smell wonderful. This one had fragrance notes of rosewood, bergamot, ylang, and it's supposed to be a peaceful and uplifting scent, which I do agree with. And you can see here it's just very slowly dissolving and moving around the tub, depositing like chunks of color on top of the water, but not moving too much. And I did take the bath bomb out of the water a couple times just to look at it, and I noticed it was dissolving really interestingly as well. Normally they dissolve pretty evenly, but this one did not. So you'll see it here in a moment when I take it out of the water. There's like a whole chunk of it missing from the side, like the orange was the only one dissolving at a quick rate. But that is my quick demo of the Groovy Kind of Love bath bomb. I have some other seasonal bath bombs posted on my page if you want to see some more Lush demos. I also post bath bomb videos with things hidden inside, whether that's money, jewelry, toys, all sorts of things. So if you'd like, please subscribe and check out my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.